Hello, my dear family members. I hope all of you are preparing well for your upcoming Capgemini exam. Today, I'm going to share some important questions which were asked earlier in Capgemini and going to be asked in your exam as well. Okay, so basically, I have been uploading questions regarding technical questions, game-based aptitude, like all the things. Okay, so if you are not following our playlist of Capgemini, then please follow that. Like, this is containing all the things you need. Okay, so I hope you will do so. Okay, so let me share one thing, that is, like, today I'm going to share coding questions, right? So let me tell some experience of the recent exams, that is, like, in this exam, just consult with your TNP cell, like, training and placement cell, that if there will be C++ or not, there will be Python or not. Okay, so, like, in the recent exam, what happened, people are ready with their C++ skill, with their Python skill, but when they're appearing for Capgemini coding round, they saw that C++ is not present. Okay, and some people saw that Python was not present. Okay, so just confirm before sitting the exam if there is C++ or not, if Python or not. Okay, like, or you can, like, ask the questions at your pre-placement talk if possible, so that there will be no confusion. Okay, so I hope you will just keep it remembering. Okay, so let me share the questions which were asked to, like asked on 17th or 18th of September. Okay, so the question was regarding, like, the question was actually repeated and the question was asked earlier, and I have solved that question and uploaded the video in, and that is inside our playlist. Okay, so if you are not following, then please follow that. So the question is, like, other thing I don't know, but still the explanation part is here and the sample input is here. So let me just discuss this. Okay, so let me just discuss it, that the question is saying, I'm not just reading the question. Let me just discuss the question. Okay. So the question is saying, you will be given, like, at first you have to take one integer input. Okay. So this is the number of strings you have to check if those are virus or not. Okay. So let's say there is a string 121 and 121 star. Okay, so you have to check this string is a virus or not. So what is the virus? Let's say the rule of defining virus is every alternate value, every alternate character should be same. Okay, should be same. So let's say this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. Like, in this case, all the alternative values are same, so that's why this will be an, this will not be a virus. So you have to print 1. Okay, let's say this is 0. Okay, this is 0 and here the star present. Okay, so in this case, 1 1 1 1, but here it should be 1, but it is not. So in this case, this is a virus, so output should be 0. So as they have given, like, as the input is 4, so you have to take total 4 integers. Okay, you have to take total 4 strings. So let's say this is madam. Okay, madam, madam. So output should be what? So here alternatives are this. Okay, so as you can see, mdm. So all the alternatives are not same, all the alternative values are not same, so that's why this is a virus. So output should be 0. Let's say the number is 1 2 1 3 4 5. So in this case, output should be also what? 1 1 4. So 0, because every alternative values are not same. Okay, so I hope you understood. So let's say the value is a. So in this case, the value is every other elements is same. So output should be 0. No, output should, sorry guys. So let me just pause the video and let me continue it. So guys, those examples are enough to understand. So if you have any queries still, then please DM me at my Insta ID, or you just comment down that you have some confusion, or just wait till the end so that after getting the answer, there will be no confusion remaining. Okay, so just wait. So the what should be our approach to the solution? Our approach will be like, at first there will be an integer input. Okay, the number of strings you have to take to check if this is virus or not. Okay, so then you have to check, like you have to take all the strings one by one. That means you have to run a for loop. You have to run a for loop for all the integers, sorry, for all the values. Okay, I less than equal to 4. Then you have to check simultaneously if this is matching the condition or not. If this is matching the condition or not. If matching, then print 1. Okay, if not matching, then 0. Okay, then 0. What they have done in the exam, like in the what they have given in the input, that is, at first there will be an integer input, and there will be one string, second string, third string. Okay, your output should be like simultaneously 1 0 1 this way. Okay, not after every input, not after every input. Okay, so I am giving you a solution in which you will get the answer, the output after each string getting like inputted. Okay, so I hope you will be like, you have that much capability to change the code and get the output like this. Okay, so let me just show you the solution so that it will be more easier to understand. Okay, so yeah, so let me just cross it. Okay guys, before I show you the solution in Java and Python, let me just introduce our prime materials, in which we have included all the prime materials, like all the technical questions, like from the essay writing to technical questions like pseudocode, all the DBMS, and like all the things, technical things are there. And then mock test, then the coding questions as well are there. Okay, so if you want all these, like all the previous year questions and all recent questions, then please DM me at my Insta ID, instagram.com/techno.ef. You'll get it. This is paid but very affordable. Okay, just you have to contribute 69 rupees, or just like this is going to be increased by 10 rupees. So go ahead and pay 69 rupees at rwajeda, okay, at the rate oksbi. So just use this UPI ID and send the screenshot at my Insta ID, instagram.com/techno.ef, and give me the screenshot. I'll provide you the materials at your email ID. Okay, so let me share the solutions in Java at first, then I'll provide you the solutions in Python as well. Okay, so at first let me just uh, start from the main function. So at first the flow starting from main function. So at first we are getting the user input. Okay, but in case of you, there will be already pre-written code up to this. The pre-written code will be there. You don't have to do anything with that. Okay, user input and all these things will be already written there. Then you have to run a for loop. Here you will be like seeing that uh, write your logic. Okay, write your logic. So this way they will write. So here you have to start writing your code. So for int I is equal to 0, I less than n. Okay, if you are starting from 1, then I less than equal to n, I plus plus, that means we are increasing by 1. And then we are getting the string like we are getting the string from the user. Okay, sc dot next line. Guys, one thing, just let me know in the comment section why this sc dot next line is written. Okay, there is already sc dot next int for the integer input, but why this sc dot next line is used here? Just give me the answer in the comment section. This can be one very good like conceptual question and interview question, so please give the answer in the comment section. I love it. Okay, so here we are getting the string from the user at each iteration once. Okay, let's say the first, let's say the user input is 3. Okay, and user entered madam, madam. Okay, then we are checking if this is virus, if checking if this is virus, this is a function name contains virus, and this is taking the string as parameter. Okay, so let me go to the like contains virus function. So here it is a static method, so that there will be like we don't have to create a separate object for that, and we can access this from main method easily. Okay, then the returning type is boolean, so that it will be returning only true or false on the basis of the outcome. Okay, then the name of the function is contains virus, and it is taking one argument, that is string s. Then we are getting the length of the string s dot length. Okay, then we are running a for loop, that is, let's say the first input is madam. Okay, madam. Okay, so as per the requirement, it is told that every like alternate element should be equal. Okay, every alternate element should be equal. So if let's say we are checking if this element and fourth element is same, this is also fine. Okay, we are checking alternatively that this is same, this same, so it is obviously that this and this should be also same. So for those scenario, for both scenario, we are checking like we at first initializing from 0, and we are ending until or unless the value is less than 4, that is the value of I is less than 4. That means when the ith value is like length minus 4. Okay, so I hope you understood length minus 4, then we'll stop the execution. So each time it is increasing by 2, so that we don't have to check the garbage one, because we don't have to check this, we just have to check if alternatives are equal or not. That's why we can skip the middle things. Okay, so we can increase this by +2. Okay, so then we are checking s dot caret I. So caret is a method of string that is checking if the current character at this string, what is the string, that is this. Okay, so this case is madam. Okay, so if the character dot I, that means at first 0th index, is not equal to this, that is I plus 2, so I plus 2 is this one. Okay, I plus 2 is this one. If this is not equal to this, so if this is not true, then this will be not checking further condition, because this is logical or operation. So it will go to the it will not go inside the if block. Okay, it will not go inside the if block, so it will go outside the if block for loop, and then it will return true. Okay, so after it returns true, that means this is virus. So as soon as this will check that this is virus, it will print 1. Okay, it will print 1. So like let's make it 0. Okay, let's make it 0. If this is virus, then make it 0. If this is not virus, then make it 1. Whatever. Okay, whatever. If I said you that if this is virus, then it is 0. If this is not virus, then 1, or vice versa. Both are okay. Just know the logic. Okay. So then, yeah, let's say this is the let's say the string is a. Okay, so for that case, it will check if the current character is not equal to the I plus 2th element. So this and this are not equal. No, this is false. So it will check further. Okay, it will check further. So it will check if the current character that is this and the I plus 4th character is not equal. I plus 4th means this and this, sorry, these are not equal. So it will check this. So if this is not equal, then this will go inside the if block and it will return false. So that means if this is true, then this is a virus. If this is false, then this is not a virus. Okay, so I hope you understood. So let me just print it and let me share if this is producing right output or not. Okay, so let me just run it. Sorry. Mm, yeah, so let me just run it and let me show how much it is giving right output or not. So for let's say 3, okay, for 3, if the output is madam, madam, then output should be 0 because this is a virus. And let's say the output, let's say the string is 1 to 1 and 1 to 1, 0 and star. The output should be what? This is a virus, so this will be 0. And let's say a output should be 1 because this is not a virus. So it can be like we have made the requirement, we have made change in the requirement. So just know the logic. Okay, whatever you can assign to the virus or whatever you can assign to the anti like non-virus. Okay, so as of now this is according to our requirement. Just assign this in the exam time, like assign in the exam time accordingly. Okay, so let me just share the Python solutions. This will be almost same. So guys, if you have not understood yet, then please let me know in the comment section, or you can join our Telegram channel t.me/UBK Anna. There we can discuss more. Okay. And guys, if you want again the prime materials, then please DM me at my ID instagram.com/techno.ef. This is paid but very affordable. Okay. So let me share the Python solutions, guys. Again, still if you have not subscribed yet, then please subscribe this channel and watch the playlist regarding any component that you want. And if any guidance you need, then please let me know. Okay, so again here the same thing, like at first we are getting the input like the string, number of string, then we are running a for loop and getting the string as the user input and checking if this contains virus, then we are printing dash dash dash. Okay, so let's check the contents virus, like the same length is equal to length of s. So this is the function to get the length in Python of string. Okay, so for I in range we are running a for loop from 0 to length minus 4, and every time we are increasing the values of I by 2. Okay, then we are checking if s of I not equal to s of I plus 2 and or s of I not equal to s of I plus 4. If this, then return false. Okay, if this, then return false, and after the for loop just return true. That means this is a virus. Okay, so I'm not going to discuss more because we have already discussed in the Java part. So guys, if you have not watched that part, then please go back and watch that. Okay, so let me just print it. And so for let's say 1. Okay, if I write madam, then the output should be 0. And if I print let's say 2, okay, so for a output should be 1. And as expected, let's say subscribe. Okay, so this is obviously not true, so this will be 0. Okay, so guys, I hope you understood what's the requirement and what's the logic I have written here and the syntaxes as well. Guys, any confusion, then please let me know. Okay, and guys, one thing, if you want me to upload any particular company's videos, any particular chapters videos, subjects video, then please recommend me in the comment section. I will try to give you importance. Okay, so I hope guys this much of discussion is enough for today's session. Still, if you need any help, then please let me know. Okay, so thank you for today's session.